Ever wonder why some websites show up first on Google? That's SEO, search engine optimization. It's how you make your website the best answer to what people are searching for. SEO helps Google understand your content, so your site appears higher in search results. The goal? More visitors without paying for ads, what we call organic traffic. These visitors are already looking for what you offer, making them valuable leads. Think of SEO as putting a bright sign on your digital shop, guiding people right to your door. It's not about tricking search engines, but helping them connect your great content with the right audience. By making simple changes to your site's content and structure, you boost your visibility. You don't need to be a tech expert. The basics are straightforward and powerful. Understand what search engines want, and you can rank higher, attract more traffic, and grow online. SEO is a must-have skill for anyone with a website today. Ready to learn how it works? Let's dive in. SEO has 3 pillars: on-page, off-page, and technical. On-page SEO is everything you control on your site, using the right keywords, writing helpful content, and making pages clear for users and search engines. Off-page SEO is about building your site's reputation through backlinks, links from other sites that act as votes of confidence. The more quality backlinks you have, the more trustworthy Google sees your site. Technical SEO ensures your site loads fast, works on mobile, and is easy for search engines to crawl. A slow or broken site can hurt your rankings no matter how good your content is. All 3 pillars work together. You can't ignore one and expect great results. Great content needs a solid technical foundation and strong reputation to rank well. Balance is key. Optimize your pages, earn backlinks, and keep your site running smoothly. This holistic approach is what search engines love. Focus on all 3, and you'll build a strong, lasting SEO strategy. That's the secret to long-term success. Let's see why it matters for your business. SEO builds trust. People trust Google, so ranking high makes your business look credible. You can't buy this trust overnight. It's earned by providing real value and consistent effort. Over time, this leads to loyal customers who keep coming back. SEO is also cost-effective. Unlike ads, your traffic doesn't stop when you stop paying. A well-ranked page can bring visitors for years, making SEO a long-term asset. It also helps you understand your customers. Keyword tools reveal what people are searching for and what they need. This insight can shape your products, services, and marketing. Plus, SEO gives you a competitive edge. If your competitors are doing it and you're not, you're missing out. Analyze their strategies, find gaps, and target keywords they've missed. In today's digital world, being visible on search engines is essential for growth. SEO keeps you in the game and can help you win it. Ready to get started? Here's how. Getting started with SEO is easier than you think. Use free resources like Moz's Beginner's Guide or Google's SEO Starter Guide to learn the basics. Start with keyword research. Figure out what your customers type into Google. Use free tools like Google Keyword Planner to find keywords with good search volume and low competition. Make a list of 5 to 10 core keywords for your site. Apply on-page SEO, put your main keyword in the page title, heading, and naturally in your text. Write clear meta descriptions to encourage clicks. Don't stuff keywords, write for people first. Track your progress with free tools like Google Analytics and Search Console. SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep learning, testing, and adapting. Every small step builds your skills and results. Start now and watch your website grow.